everyone, my name is Dee.
Hey, I'm Hope.
Hey, it's Farishta.
Hi, I'm Tara and I'm a Shoppers Beauty Pro.
Some of the beauty pros got together and today we're going to share with you our new fine top picks. Let's go check them out.
My favorite new find is the Revlon Super Lustrous Glass Shine Lipstick because it's hydrating, it's glossy, and it has a beautiful shade range for anyone and everyone to enjoy on top of their favorite lip liner. I love the way that it just glides onto the lip and gives you a beautiful finish with minimal effort.
My favorite new find is the NYX Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette. What I love about this palette is the warm, peachy tones that I can put in the crease and the metallics that I can pop in the center of the eye for my summer look.
My new finds top pick has to be the Giorgio Armani Acqua Profondo fragrance. This is technically for men, but honestly, I have been wearing it religiously because it smells fabulous. This has a beautiful blend of marine and wood notes, so I find that it transitions extremely well between summer and fall. It's light and crisp and fresh, but has a beautiful woody undertone that makes you feel very warm and charming.
My new top pick is Vichy's Liftactiv Specialist Peptide-C Anti-Aging Ampoules. This is my top pick because this little concentrated active ampule helps to restore radiance, firmness, and smooth wrinkles. Only use half the ampule and then save the rest for the evening.
And last but not least, my new find, the Lancome Monsieur Beige in Extreme Black. No smudging, no clumping, and no flaking. You can wear it up to 24 hours.
You've seen our new favorites. Do you have something that you've just tried?
Let us know in the comment section down below.
Which one was your favorite product?
Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.